What is affiliate marketing and how does it work for beginners in 2021? In this video, guys, I just want to run through real quick. If you're a complete beginner, I'm going to try to do it in less than a minute. I'm going to explain what affiliate marketing is for those of you that don't exactly understand. And it's really pretty simple. It's simply taking a company's product, promoting it, and then you earning a commission. The simplest terms to put it is you go to Amazon.com. They have a ton of products. You sign up to be an affiliate. How do you do that? Well, if we jump over here onto my computer, all you have to do is Amazon affiliate, you type it in, you go down here, and then you basically sign up to become an Amazon affiliate. Same with anything and everything else that you want to be an affiliate for. You go to Google, you type in whatever you want to promote, and then just put affiliate program after that. So let's say, let's use Amazon for an example. You have a product that you want to promote to your audience, and your audience is either going to be on whatever social media platform you're using, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any type of social media platform you can think of, wherever you have an audience. Okay, so say there's a product you like. You basically are going to go there. You're going to get your unique link to that product that's going to specifically have your ID on the end of that link. You're going to take that link. You're going to send it out to everybody that's following you. If people click that link, they buy the product from your link, you are going to earn a commission. How much are you going to earn? Well, it totally depends on your affiliate program's commission rates. So Amazon's are super low. I think they're like anywhere from like 1 to 5%, but there's many other affiliate programs out there. So obviously they range from 1% to 99% in commissions earning. So what I mean by that is if you have a $100 product, you sell it using your link, and it's a 50% commission, you're going to make $50. That is exactly how affiliate marketing works. It's super simple. Now, if you're watching this video and you are a beginner with affiliate marketing, unfortunately, I see so many beginners fail with this because they think, okay, that's all I got to do, get an affiliate link, try to spam it, and then hope people will buy. No, there is a way and there's a method on how you can build a full-time business with affiliate marketing. And it takes some time to learn, but basically you're going to be capturing people's emails. Then after you capture an email, you are then going to be able to send consistent emails out to the people that put in their email and they gave it to you. You're going to be able to send out affiliate offer after affiliate offer after affiliate offer. So you have the opportunity to make money from multiple different affiliate programs. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, you're a complete beginner and don't know what affiliate marketing is, I highly recommend going down the description, clicking the very first link. It's my affiliate marketing course that I partnered with my mentor, who is a six-figure a month earner. That's right, he's making over 6 figures every single month with affiliate marketing. This is the best course on affiliate marketing on the entire internet, I can promise you, and it becomes at the best price of only $7. You will have a fully automated affiliate marketing business up and running in only 3 days. Now, if you really want to get into affiliate marketing and you want to understand how it works because you're a complete beginner, I highly recommend going down the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I made it super simple explanation of what affiliate marketing is. Go ahead and smash that like button. Also hit the subscribe button as I post videos every single day on the best methods to making money online. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for today. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments as I respond to every single comment. And also, if you want to reach out to me and talk to me personally one-on-one, go down the description. You can also reach out to me on Facebook Messenger. That's all I got for today, guys, and we will see you tomorrow.